For over 700 days now, I have brought to you logo animation and motion graphics tutorials. I guess you are excited. Yes, that is why over 3,000 of you are now subscribed to the YouTube channel. Yes, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and then like the video. So today I want to show you how you can monetize your logo animation and motion graphics skills quite quickly. So get your pen and let's get started. I have 6 ways on my list that I have personally tried out myself, and currently I'm still using about 5 of that method. So number 1 on my list is freelancing. You get it. So you can start working remotely by joining freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com and many more. So if you want to know more about all of these and how to get started, leave a comment below. So the second method is selling courses. Yes, it must surprise you to know that there are many upcoming graphics and motion graphic designers who may want to learn new skills from you. So record your courses and then you can sell it in your own personal website or platforms like Udemy or Skillshare or many more like that. And believe me, it is very easy to set up, and once you get it set up, the income is passive. You get it right. You don't have to do anything more except if you want to record more courses. Number 3, you can build a community right here on YouTube or Facebook. Both of these platforms have monetization programs that when set up, you can then start earning money through their partner program or in-stream ad monetization program passively. And in turn, after your community gets stronger, you can then market yourself as a freelancer or market your courses to them, of which if they are dedicated fans, they are going to patronize you. Number 4, create pre-made templates for motion graphics or logo animation and then sell them on your own personal website. You can also extend the market to Evato or other creative marketplaces. If you have come this far, please drop a 100 on the comment section, like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That will tell me and the algorithm that you appreciate this video. Then I'm going to go in depth into these methods. And now 5. Offer direct services to local businesses or startups by pitching customized logo animation for their brand identity and social media presence. And now the last but not the least, at number 6, you can offer one-on-one coaching classes or workshops for aspiring animators who want to learn the craft or better or improve their skills. So these are some of the 6 methods I have tried myself, and it is guaranteed working for me. And if you want to try that out, let me know which of these you want to start with and what type of skills you're going to be pitching using these methods. So if there is any addition you want to add, leave it in the comment please, so that we can grow the community together. If you are wondering where to start from, then you can check out my tutorials on this channel. My tutorials are about logo animation, motion graphics, VFX, and then other motion graphics design tutorials for free. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for MotionDigit Studios.